Alright, so in this video I'm gonna show you times as you can change this socket highly damaged. While I do use it, see, highly damaged, how the level of 10 to 16 250 voltage, and I use it for my electric cooker as well as the fuse. As you can see, this is 13 amps. This is 13 amps. As you can see, it's bad. When I start with charging this, not much bad. Oh, bad, you know. Have to loosen everything, you know, get careful. So I get it. Compromise them. Okay. Okay, kenapa lagi sih? Ada fase to get inside, man. So you see, finding it difficult to get in there, but anyway, it just has to do that. Okay, that's nice. So let me shoot out to the socket. Shoot over to the socket. Now I got this. This is 15. This 15 amps, 220 volts. I gotta handle this. Alright, so NL, get here, bullshit. So the NN ground this grind is gonna get in here, and the other one is gonna get in here. Let's do the fist. Okay, that's done. Already open. Got this. It's amazing. Over here. Now for about the fuse is highly productive and old can actually go in. So look at this. It's 10 amps. And we get this 15 amps. Let's do some opening. Understand? The fuse is almost well out. Almost well out. So we're gonna change this. Yeah, by using this. This, you can see this way pretty good. This is no fuse, just by itself. Alright, so you're gonna, drive all of them in. And about this, we also do the same to here. Now open here, check this out. Okay, so I got that pretty good. Easy starting up. So that's pretty good. Get this over here, and then that's screwed in, and this here. That's pretty good. We're gonna copy it up. Just put this back for protection. You get that? I still value new things. So I succeeded in changing it over this and getting a new one. Seems to be great, man. So it's on now. Let's check. Okay, so voila, it's working. Okay, so voila, you can see now it's working. See the fence? It's working. The power switch was connected perfectly. That's great one. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up, man.